My beautiful Virgos, welcome back to Tarot Talks. I hope you guys are doing good and are safe with your family and loved ones. So Virgos, today we are going to do the reading for your sign for the month of June 2021. Please note that this is a collective reading and it might not resonate with all. So take what resonates and leave the rest, okay? You would also want to check other signs in your birth chart for a better and clear understanding. Before we start the reading, guys, a couple of points I want to clarify. I am not doing the regular 10 cards spread this time, the Celtic Cross. I'm not doing that, and I'll be doing a 5 card spread this time, okay, followed by a few oracle cards. For this month I'm going to pull one crystal healing oracle healing card for each of you guys. So okay, so crystals basically work with our own mind and body vibrations, okay, and they tell us which aspects of us need healing, okay. It could be at spiritual level, emotional level, at a physical level, at cosmic level, okay, whatever it is, which parts of us need attention and healing, that comes across very clearly through crystals. So stay tuned till the end, guys. I'm sure you're going to love it. It's going to be really interesting. So coming back to your energies, guys, I feel that some of you are about to start some new project, new venture, maybe new business, okay, entering into something different that you have not tried before. I see a lot of prosperity coming your way, okay. Whatever new assignment or new, if you are into business, if you are getting new clients, if you are getting new assignments, whatever it is, okay, it's going to bring in a lot of prosperity, guys, okay. Lot of prosperity, lot of abundance is what I was getting. Yes, that was the message that I was getting. So guys, without further ado, let's get started and see what messages we have for you guys for this month. Oh my goodness. The start itself is with 5 of Pentacles. By the way, that card had showed up while shuffling also, so I'm sure it holds significance for some of you guys. Yes. You guys are waiting for something. Yeah, definitely exhausted, tired. Okay, emotions are running high for some of you guys. Magician, 3 of Pentacles. Okay, guys, definitely few endings for some of you guys. 8 of Pentacles. Oh, your card is also there, by the way. There is 10 of Pentacles also. Whatever it is, you're going to get it very soon, I'm sure, because there is 10 of Pentacles also, okay. Maybe it will take some time, but definitely you'll get the monetary benefits. Yeah, Knight of Pentacles. Yeah, things are a little slow maybe right now, but soon they'll gain momentum, okay. That's the reason why you might be feeling that, okay, you're not seeing the progress, you're not seeing things happening, okay, but that's not the case, guys. Things are definitely happening in the background, even if you can't see. It's only thing that it will take some time for you to see it in the 3D world. So energy at the current or the present situation is that of 5 of Pentacles. Definitely some sort of conflict at your current workplace. Yeah, I feel this is strongly related to some workplace. Some sort of unhealthy competition going on. Maybe that's the reason why you might be looking for new opportunities somewhere, okay. That could also be the case, but yeah, definitely some sort of unhealthy competition presently going on in your energies. Workplace is what I'm dominantly feeling, but it could be in your personal life as well, okay. Someone has kind of had been sneaky, not been right, had been competitive, unnecessarily jealous maybe, okay. That kind of energy is also I'm seeing. You have not got dues of your work is what I'm seeing, okay. You're feeling a little you're feeling as if you're not treated fair is what I'm seeing over here. Yes. The energy in your recent past is that of death card. Now this definitely talks of some endings, guys. It could be ending of a relationship, ending of a job. I also feel, guys, some of you might have lost job maybe due to pandemic, and if that's the case, I'm really sorry, guys. I'm really sorry to know that. I'm sure you'll get new opportunity very soon, okay, a good one, and that could also be the case. Some of you might have also lost someone physically in someone might have transited. Okay, definitely endings, and not easy ones. Endings are never easy. I also feel this is an end of someone's relationship. Okay, you have put an end to a relationship, or someone has ended relationship with you. Yes, because there is four of swords in your immediate future. Okay, that talks about stalling the communication, not communicating with someone, cutting the ties maybe. Okay, I also feel that some of you guys are thinking a lot about something. Okay, you are into that overthinking mode. There was nine of swords, nine of wands also in the reading. So you guys are definitely into overthinking mode, and you are exhausted. You are definitely exhausted because of that. Some issue is definitely haunting you, daunting you. It's not leaving you, it's not letting you sleep, is what I'm getting, guys. So you should also pay attention to your dreams, guys. Maybe you might get some you might get useful insights through your dreams downloads. Okay, yeah, that's quite possible, but many a times we tend to ignore it. Okay, but yeah, definitely you should pay attention to your dreams, is what I'm getting. Yes, see, because there is something, this sword is beneath this guy. Okay, beneath this person. Okay, so this is your subconscious mind, this is your conscious mind, but this is your subconscious mind. There is something happening at your subconscious level which you are not able to see right now, because guys, there is magician also. So you are definitely manifesting something very heavily. So please be mindful of what you are thinking, please be mindful of your thought processes. Don't end up manifesting anything negative by indulging into negative thinking. Okay, the energy in the blockages is that of three of wands. You guys are waiting for your ships to sail in. Probably you guys are like waiting for the right time. You guys are waiting for okay, let me put it this way. It's like you're waiting, I'm waiting for my right time to come. Okay, it's like every dog has his day. Don't take it otherwise. I'm just telling that you're just basically waiting for your right time to come. Okay, you have put hard work, you have done your work, you have put the efforts. Now it's just a matter of time. I had similar card in the similar position in one of the other readings as well. I don't remember which it was, probably Gemini. If at all you have Gemini in your charts, you should check that as well, guys. Okay, but yeah, you guys are definitely waiting for your time to come. Okay, we are waiting for the right time. The energy in the advice position is that of Seven of Pentacles. Definitely the universe also wants you to have some patience. Okay, it's like you have done your work, now let us do our work. Okay, the universe, the angels, God, whoever you believe in, the supreme power is telling you, don't worry. Okay, just be patient. You have put in your hard work, we have seen it, and now it's our turn to give you whatever it is that you have worked so hard towards. Okay, so just be patient, guys. I'm sure whatever it is that you have worked so hard, you're going to get the results of it very soon. Yeah, so let's talk about your overall energy, guys. There was Nine of Wands, like I said. This energy is talking about a lot of exhaustion. You are really very tired. If you are working round the clock, or if you are overthinking, please don't do that, guys. Do not end up falling sick. Okay, that there are definitely emotions that are running very high. This Queen of Cups, I believe, is your energy. You are being very emotional right now. Obviously, I can understand the energy is not easy. The energy is definitely heavy right now. Okay, so for some of you guys, the emotions are really very high. There is this Three of Pentacles. I feel that yes, there is some conflict related to work. Maybe you are working in a team of three people. Three might be a number of significance for some of you guys, because there is Three of Pentacles and there is three. Guys, I had similar cards in some other sign also. I just don't remember which it was. I believe that was Pisces and Gemini, or I really don't remember, but yes, I had similar cards in that reading also. So three is playing a significant role in your current energy, guys. You are probably working with a team of three people, collaborating with people to get work done. I also feel that for some of you guys who is going through a broken relationship, maybe that is the reason for that is a third party situation. Someone was not loyal in the relationship. you or the other person, I do not know, the energies can flip, okay, but whatever it is, the reason of this breakup is, I feel, third party, okay. There was definitely a third person, a third entity involved in this relationship or this association, which has caused the end of that relationship, okay. That this backstabbing, just see it, it has really hurt you or the other person, whatever it is. This was a very painful period, guys. If it is you who is going through this, I'm really sorry for that. I mean, I don't have any words, okay. Take your own time to heal, guys. There is your card showing up here, Virgo, okay. This is you who is probably retreating, okay, isolating himself or herself. I can imagine, guys, there is Four of Swords energy also, okay. Definitely this and this energy is going hand in hand. You guys are not communicating with someone, or you are not communicating with people in general, okay. Stop socializing, I believe, okay. You guys have retreated in a shell. You are asking questions to yourself as well as God, like why this has happened, why me kind of questions also I'm listening over here. So please note guys, that whatever happens, the reason is we need to learn certain lessons, okay. Incidents happen based on our past life karmas as well, okay. So there is no point asking why me. Instead, focus on what was the learning that this incident is giving me, okay. That's the kind of question you should ask, and learn your lessons, basically. I know, too preachy, but that's how it is, guys. That's how it is. I mean, there is no other explanation that I could have given for this energy. It's like been there, done that. I've been through such phases myself, so I know, and I have learnt my lessons, okay. That's why I'm talking, I'm telling you this. Two of Swords, you guys are trying to arrive to certain decision. You are not able to make a decision over something. Probably you are still not able to decide whether to stay or move on from this relationship. In all probability, you are moving on from this relationship. I feel that it is going to come to an end. Yes, Eight of Pentacles, you guys are very much now focusing on your work now, okay. You have put all your energy, entire time and soul into work. You are busy building your career now. You are keeping your mind busy in work is basically what I'm seeing over here, which is a good thing. Just note that don't end up overexerting yourself, okay. Please do not end up overexerting. I believe that some of you guys have set certain goals for yourself, some career goals, and you are working very diligently over those goals. I also feel, guys, for the other group of people, okay, who are into this hermit mode, this is your card, by the way, Virgos. So you guys are doing some inner work, okay. You guys are definitely looking within yourself. You are trying to learn your lessons, and you are working on your emotional basically you are working on your emotional well-being, okay. You're working on healing yourself, which is a very good thing, and I'm really proud of you if you're doing that. If not, please do that, okay. If you're not doing that, please do that. Stay focused, work on yourself, heal yourself, be kind to yourself is what I would like to tell you. Magician, finally, okay. So you guys, like I said, are definitely manifesting consciously or unconsciously, but definitely you're strongly manifesting, guys. That's why you really need to be more careful of your thoughts, okay. Magician is, like I have said n number of times, it's like a two-sided sword, okay. If not handled properly, it might end up backfiring, okay. So please be very careful of your thought processes. Make sure you are thinking positive thoughts, okay. Make sure that you are using this manifestation phase for manifesting good energies and not unwanted energies. See, the universe is working towards giving you whatever it is. Maybe for some of you guys who are working on their career goals and waiting for your ships to sell in, this is also a good time. You're definitely going to end up manifesting that or achieving that career goal that you are so diligently working towards. Some of you guys might also be waiting to travel, okay. Maybe the pandemic is slowing the things, but yeah, definitely some of you guys are wanting to travel. It could be across city, or for some of you guys this could be overseas travel also, is what I'm seeing over here. So Virgos, let's see what messages we have for you from this beautiful deck. Guys, this card has flipped. You're good enough. It is full moon in Virgo. Wow, this is a direct message for you guys, and it's such a lovely card. It's such a lovely card. So no matter how difficult the energies have been, no matter how bad the situation has been, have faith that you are good enough. Okay, sometimes it's not about you. Okay, sometimes the other person or the other energies are being in their shadowy side, are being there in their negative self. It's not your fault always. Okay, or many times it's not your fault. So have that faith, believe in yourself, and trust the universe, trust God. Okay, it's not your fault. You are just good, you are just beautiful the way you are, and keep being that, keep being nice, keep being kind, and just shine, guys. What a lovely message. Let's see what we have for you guys from this beautiful angel answers deck, guys. Guys, the angels can't be more communicative. The message for you guys from the angels is the situation will improve. What a lovely message. And definitely, considering these heavy energies in this reading, guys, this is what you need to hear. I mean, I'm so thankful to my angels and archangels. The situation will improve. Have faith. I'm again and again telling you guys, do not lose heart, do not lose hope, just have faith, and the times will change. Okay, nothing is permanent, and so aren't your worries. Okay, so please have faith. Let's see what we have for you guys from this beautiful crystal oracle deck. Guys, the crystal that has come for you for this month is lapis lazuli. Lapis lazuli, it's such a beautiful crystal. I hope you can see it. And guys, the message this crystal is carrying, you must hear this. Okay, you must hear this. You are an immortal soul who has profound connection with the heavens. Your purpose is noble. Okay, you you should take charge of your life. Looking into the past puts your present experience into perspective. Didn't I say whatever agony we face, okay guys, during this lifetime, it's not always related to this lifetime. It comes from different lifetimes. So it's very much necessary that we learn our lessons and heal. Okay, so that same incidents, same events, some same heartaches are not repeated in your next lifetimes. Okay, that's what the card is also telling. Okay, you are a lineage breaker. Make the effort to trace family history for deeper insight. So when you are in this Virgo mode, like I said, you are asking some questions to yourself, to divine, to God. Okay, pay attention to the answers that you are getting. Okay, learn your lessons is what I am telling you again and again. The next part is very interesting. Work with your dreams and journey inward for deeper insights. I had told you during this reading, you should pay attention to your dreams. Okay, you might receive some useful insights in your dream, guys. Pay attention to those. Okay, flashes of intuition show the way. So basically the card is asking you to pay attention to your intuition, pay attention to your inner voice, to your dreams, to your subconscious mind, and learn your lessons and heal yourself. Okay, heal your soul, heal your ancestral line. Okay guys, it was a very intense message. It was a very beautiful message, and I definitely feel it's going hand in hand. And again, I'm coming back to this card. It's such a lovely card, guys. A lovely confirmation from the angels that everything is going to be all right. So Virgos, I leave it at that. If any of this is your story, any of this resonates with you, please like the video, drop comments, share your experiences. Do let me know how you like this reading, how you like this pattern. Okay, I'm very much curious to know. So I'll see you next month directly, guys. Stay safe, stay blessed, take care.